Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect to your Roborock Qrevo Master. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So this vacuum will work with the Roborock app. It's available for free for iOS and Android devices. You'll need to get that downloaded, sign in, or create your account. And once you do, you'll be at a screen that looks like this. You probably just won't have any devices connected. Maybe you already do and you've jumped ahead to this step. But now we need to add our new vacuum by selecting the plus icon in the top right-hand corner. We can scan the QR code on it for setup right there. So press and hold the power and dock buttons for 3 seconds until you hear the resetting Wi-Fi.
Resetting Wi-Fi.
So we got that prompt. Hit the checkbox, select next. Now we need to connect to our local Wi-Fi network. So make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, not a 5 gigahertz network, a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, and then select next. Now you get a prompt to join the vacuum's network. Select join, and it's going to work on setting it up. You got 3 steps.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Standby.
We just got the voice prompt connecting to Wi-Fi. We got the power button blinking blue. 2 out of 3 already done.
Wi-Fi connected.
Voice prompt, Wi-Fi connected. Now we can select the Use Now button. It's loading very quickly. And now we're taken into the app for the vacuum. Select Agree. We got a welcome start screen here, quick start. We'll click through those so you can see, prep you for cleaning. So get familiar with your home. We can toggle things on or off. You can adjust those later too if you don't want to. Do not disturb mode if you want to turn that on. Map saving. And there we go. That's it. We are now taken into our vacuum. So everything is all set up. That takes like a minute, minute and a half at the most. Simple, straightforward. Now your next step is to start using your vacuum. You'll select quick mapping, then it'll map your house. Then you can start cleaning and customizing your map and getting your routines. That's it. Super simple, straightforward, very quick and efficient setup with Roborock, its app, and our Qrevo Master.